So friends, this is my Blue Sky channel here, and we are start new in this video topic Internet Information Services, in short called IIS tools. So generally these tools not available in Windows, but you want these type options for in your computer. So first you want open control panel, okay, and program feature side. So first I'm just showing how is you can see here IIS services tools not here IIS, okay. So internet information services tools not available in my administrator any site. So and the second is the component services ODBC data, so 32 64-bit AM2A component management, resource monitor, task scheduler. These all of these type already I created this video. So watch first this type video, okay. So why give ODBC data, so 32-bit 64-bit, what is the component management, what is the event viewer, what is the resource monitor, what is the component services, what is task scheduler. So you can see here administrative tools in and other side not available internet information services here. So we are talk about all of options here in Windows control panel series, you can see here. So first we are just so let's start here. So you can see already I have no internet information services tools in my computer control panel options. So first we are open you can see my internet access, not need internet for this start this feature. So I'm just showing here only. So we are on control panel, click on large icon, and you can see already, okay. So again I'm showing you internet information services not available because component services or other type or tools available, administrator tools. So I'm just search here IIS, so not showing here, okay. So how can we add these features in operating system? So first I'm tell you Windows by default this type some very important features in here, but some feature important not directly you can access because you allow without you can allow not start here. So click on program and features, and you can see here my install program. How can we you can add software in this system, I will discuss, but we are create new features. So you can see here we are turn off features, okay, turn window feature on or off, and you can see here these windows appear this tab here. So Hyper-V, and this is the internet information services, click on here, okay. So this is a very internet information services, you can see here this tab in FTP different tab available options and features. So internet information in services we are talk about special to server, but I'm just showing overview, and this by default local internet information services. So what is the internet information services and why using this type uh, feature in Windows operating system and special to server. So I'm just first this tab click on and all of information features active. In this video I will discuss all of features, all of internet information feature with different type of services. Okay, so I'm click on here and add all of features in my computer. So this is a my simple client computer, not a server. Okay, local computer. This is my internet information services hostable web core. So this is a hostable web core features available in internet information, but I not like these features available. Click OK and this showing appear here. Okay, download first from Windows Update. So you maybe update your Windows, so automatically directly download, but you may not update your Windows operating system, so you need internet. So this some required for downloading from update my operating system data. So first download and after automatically these systems work here. So what is we are discuss only internet information services. So you will just watch here internet information services, all of features and options available. So some file downloading here and discuss. You may be and add other features and turn on off programming features. You can see here. So custom login, different type, all of feature you want, click on and click OK. So you can see here some required file downloading from my updated data, and so this is all of my options. You want discuss some files folders with these options and security and features. So some not directly feature on off, some feature already hidden in this window. Okay, so first you can see downloading required files, so automatically download these files and systems here. After in feature directly not start here, because some feature already by default turn off in this programming features, and same process in Windows server. So these downloading required files continue here, download from my computer, and you maybe not update your Windows operating system. So first my watch video window 10 update in security, and after downloading applying changes means these my change here my computer, some features start here and restart my computer. Okay, so applying changes means my apply some changes features and some options available in my computer. So you can see applying process here. Okay, and Windows not directly update this tab download file. You first need internet, and without internet you cannot update your Windows operating system. So first your operating system update your systems, and after you can this type using offline type turn on off systems here, but you are not update your operating system. So first you need internet, and after click on this type all of options here. Okay, and you can see here all of feature available in my systems. So applying changes, and that time you can see here this my internet information, two options you can see here. So internet information main files apply and some settings apply on my computer. So first we are waiting for applying changes, and I will discuss the internet information. So internet information is one type of website access, and this is the main of your computer website. So your this is small of client computer and small this web server type services. So IIS services, internet information services, mean these using a website uh, web server. Okay, so you open Google, you open Facebook. So all of these type servers in internet information services. Okay, IIS server, and these services provide to technology for your computer as your small websites, developing a small website, your web server type using. Okay, so how can we using in how can we start? Okay, so my complete is changing here, and you can see here on top inside, not outside this feature, and this only for work administrator tools only. In administrator tools features available in, so I'm click on here, and this serving only administrator tools, and click on large account means all of serving your system features and account. You can see here category inside, not more options. So administrator tools, and you can see here internet information services. This my open small windows here, and you can see this tab in your Windows server. Okay, but my not server okay, so you can see first computer management inside information internet information services, some add here, but not this WMI feature. Okay, so I will discuss WMI feature. What is WMI features working here? You can see here. So this is my coding systems here. So first .NET globalization, .NET trust level, and application settings, and connection strings, different types options available for your computer web core. You can see my PC name and my username. Okay, and you can see here these machine key and page content. That means machine key is one type of your web server. This is showing here, and this is a page content. So this is showing buffer memory, and for you control your system from your websites and this site website, and with other your source page here. So I will discuss in all of our related options one by one in server series. But these server series in all option how work and how can we using in this IIS web server. I will create in server systems. This is a IIS. IIS is one type of information system of your websites. This small your environment in set your website here. So ASP.NET impression so that means you can straight you completely your document and configuration with your web server. So this only client computer working here, but not perfectly proper work. But Windows operating system, when Microsoft company gives small environment in your IIS server here. So IIS web server is one type of website access. So this is IIS authentication these showing here. So authentication is one type of you authenticate your website and your system. So friends, I will discuss comprehension. So what is the IIS inside the different type of features available in informations, and how can we manage these IIS different type services here? So I will discuss in IIS part 2 here. Okay, I will continue this video IIS part 2 because this video very long duration time here. So my all video part was here, and how can we using this and how can we manage benefit use systems. So thanks for watching my video. Click on bell icon, click on subscribe, and click on like button for my motivation. So thanks to watching my video. Have a nice day.